Z900, Continental GT 650. Morning blubee. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Actually today I am going to CCD ride, which means CCD Cab Cafe ride. So Cab Cafe ride which is located, the Cab Cafe ride mean actually it's a Sunday ride. Probably today so many Superbikes will come. I'll show you guys. So I'm happy after a long time I'm going CCD ride. Today morning climate, wow, like a monsoon climate. This is our Yamaha R3 Maya. I think you know guys, last video, have you seen that? So the alloy was fully damaged, like a scratch. So I put the tire. After that I had a problem like a wobbling and jumping issue. Again then I removed the tire and I gave to up and low. So I climbed a warranty. So the tire issue, so I said the tire issue. Okay, so if you want to see the full video about the tire issue, so I have put Tamil in Tamil YouTube channel. In Kunnatur actually see, fully rain drizzling and now only sun rising. Wow. Time is 8:17. It's morning. Actually we should cross the container because the water. Oh. Time is 8:21. Now I reached Chengapalli. This is a Chengapalli bypass. If you're going this side, Chennai. If you're going that side, back side, Coimbatore. Okay, actually we should go in bypass some kilometers. Many riders will come this side only. வணக்கங்கண்ணா, இப்போ தான் வந்தீங்களா, லேட் ஆகிடுச்சிங்களா? இப்போ தான் வந்தீங்களா? கரெக்டாக வந்துட்டேன் பார்த்தீங்களா? போன வாரம் மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுண்ணா. ஆமாங்கண்ணா. எடுத்துக்கிறேங்கண்ணா. அவங்க தம்பின்னு நினைக்கிறேங்க இது. Z900, Continental GT 650, Triumph 765, S1000RR. This is the BMW S1000RR 2022 model. So look at this bike. Wow, what an amazing, beautiful machine. Blubee, see this S1000RR aero system. What I say, aero exhaust full system. This cost around will be 2.5 lakh. Real. ஓகேண்ணா. ஆனால் இந்த கன்சோல் ஆன் ஆகிறதே எடுத்துக்கிறேண்ணா. ஓகேண்ணா. வாவ். ஸோ 2.5 lakh ஏரோ சிஸ்டம். ஓகேண்ணா. ஓகேண்ணா. I asked S1000RR mileage. He said with the exhaust 15 to 14 mileage normally giving. I think the stock exhaust will be 18 to 17 mileage it will give. Blubee, actually today we found Tiger XCX model and Tiger XRX model. This is the two variant of the Tiger 800cc. This is the tourer bike, this is the adventure bike. So see, this bike comes with the alloy. So Tiger XRX model. So Tiger XCX model comes with forks wheels and USD fork compared to XRX model. This is the more high, and also the seat height. This is 840 mm. And this seat height 810 or 800 something, the owner said. Okay, so next Himalayan 411 model. So next Adventure 390X and our R3 Maya. So this is the one of the rare model in India. So Volkswagen 3-door GTI model. So and BMW S1000RR. This is Harley Davidson, and here S1000RR old model, here S1000RR new model, and Time 765 Z900 GT Continental GT, and one more Continental GT. This is the Honda Highness 350. Yeah, the Honda Highness 350cc model. This is more comfortable bike actually I driven. So blubee, if you have chance to drive this, so please drive. So more comfortable family bike, tourer bike. Triumph 800 XRX and Time Tiger 800 XCX. XRX seat height is very low compared to XCX model. You know the Triumph always comes with the 3-cylinder engine. So look at the beautiful machine. Wow. Okay. Wow. So blubee, he covered all India trip in எத்தனை நாள்ல கவர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 65 days within 65 days. So actually he have a Instagram and YouTube page, Payanam Explorer. So if you have a time, so please check it out this. Actually I show you his map. Actually he covered all India. It's a different unique map. Wow. Himalayan 411 Royal Enfield. Okay, bye now. This is my friend Itigas. Actually he have a venue turbo. This is stock color or wrapped? Different? Fully wrapped. Fully wrapped. It's a matte finish. How much this cost?
10 carbon fiber.
Oh, this material coming 80,000. 80,000 carbon fiber. Where? Oh, here in Bannett.
Yeah.
This price comes 10,000. 11,000. I think too much cost, right? No. Average. Perfect cost. Changed Alive also. What is this Alive brand? Audi. Avid one, it's a brand. And the tire also he changed the Continental tire. Good. The tire cost? The tire cost, the 4 tire cost will be around 1,80,000. 1 lakh. 4 tire or 5 tire? 4 tire only. Okay. Any interior changes and ambience light? Nothing. Actually today CCD ride over, so people's going them home. Hi, one of the pro rider. If you seeing in Instagram any wheelie video or stoppy video, he only doing in the highway. I think this is the speaker. Yeah, the both side speaker. This model Harley Davidson Roadster and Streetster. Sorry, Roadster and Sportster 1200 model. Wow. Guys, we have Alpinstar riding gears. The riding gears cost will be 2.5 lakh without gloves and shoes. With the glove and shoes 3 lakh. The helmet brand is Shark. The cost will be around 80,000 to 90,000. Actually today I said already so many Superbikes came here CCD, right? This is Cab Cafe Day, so that's why people calling CCD ride. Bye bro. Wow. Actually we gonna, yeah, I already has put the petrol. Actually he putting petrol. Wow, such a biggest Indian oil petrol pump here in Chengapalli. Hey, where are you going? Here, there. Hey, போடு எங்க வேணா போடு. அந்த அக்கா நிக்க பாருங்க. Actually he confused where gonna put petrol. Petrol normal. Actually we had a breakfast at 10:58 only. Compared to last week CCD ride to today, this week I am very satisfied because so many Superbikes came. Actually I think you guys saw that video. Today CCD ride is over, so actually again we had a breakfast and we reached Kunnatur, then Gedichavur. We reached almost Ravanar home. So I driven this KTM 390 Adventure X. Today the mileage is showing 36 km per liter. 390 segment it's showing 36 kilometer mileage. Here festival. Okay, actually we gonna change our bike. Our bike is R3, right? Yamma. This is Ravanar home. That is over there. Actually Ravanar bought something, oil and some masala home ingredients, so he taking for biryani. Mahendra Thar going. Wow. Actually I hope today video will entertain you.